Good morning, mathematicians. Okay, today you are going to create your own compound event. That means you're going to have more than one thing happening in your probability problem. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to choose 3 items in your compound event. If you need some ideas, it is right here. Remember, in class we had done dice, coins, and cards. We also did shoes, tops, and bottoms, car make, car color, rims, or whatever you choose to do. After you choose your 3 items, you're going to have to decide if they are independent or dependent. In other words, if you're doing cards and you take out a heart, then it's going to change what happens in your next event. So think about, is your event going to be independent or dependent? The second thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a tree diagram, just like we did in class yesterday. And I want you to illustrate all the possible outcomes. So I've given you an example here. For example, if we were to go out to lunch, I would have 3 choices. I could have chicken, I could have a salad, or I could have a taco. My other choices are sides. I could either get fries or chips. My third thing that I can choose is whether I want soda, water, or coffee. So notice that I started making my tree diagram, but I did not finish it. You will have to do a complete tree diagram. After you've done that, figure out how many possible outcomes there are for your compound event. Then you'll go on to step 3. You're going to calculate the probability. Just like we did yesterday, we took the total number of outcomes and used that as our denominator, and the wanted outcome. What are you wanting in this compound event? Then, once you have figured out your fraction, you're going to divide and multiply by 100 to get the percent. Finally, step 4, and this is where you earn your credit, I want you to explain what you know about a probability in 1 paragraph. So anything that you learned, you can describe your tree diagram, you can explain what you learned about the lottery. What did you learn? How can you share your knowledge of what probability is? If you have questions, make sure you ask.